Okay, I just wanted to show you guys how easy it was to put these clip-ins in. In the last video, yes, I had my mom do it, but in this video, I'm going to do it just to show you guys how easy it really is. My parts are not straight. They do not have to be straight. It doesn't matter. So I'm going in and I'm spraying some hairspray just on the base because my mama really silked my hair out. And I want them to hold and last all day. So just a little bit of hairspray will do it. And I'm going in and I'm literally just clipping my hair and they're not moving. So you're going to spray a little bit of hairspray, ruffle up that root, the clip in going up and then pull it down and then clip. No, it does not hurt. It just grabs a little bit more hair doing it that way so that it'll stay. If you want to sleep in these, go for it. Just wrap your hair. Just so that your clips don't pull at your hair when you're sleeping. Now I'm just combing it out and they're very seamless and very flat. I just put a few pieces in the front to mask my little face frame because I don't want to cut these into a face frame at all. But the blend with my natural hair and the straight texture, amazing. This was 2 packs of 18-inch on my website and they're flat.